Carbonated water and healthy aging after 55, a realistic experience with science-based clarity. Carbonated water and healthy aging after 55. This video shares what I learned late about sparkling water. Not hype, not fear, just awareness and balance. This changed how I hydrate after 55. After 55, my body reacted differently. Digestion slowed. Fullness came faster. Plain water felt harder to drink. I noticed something unexpected. Carbonated water helped me drink more fluids. Not every day, not in excess. This is my personal experience, and what science actually says about it. Why hydration changes with age, thirst signals weaken over time. This is noted by the National Institute on Aging. Dehydration risk increases silently. Sparkling water adds sensory stimulation. The bubbles create a stronger mouth feel. This can encourage regular sipping. Simple science explained, carbonation releases carbon dioxide. This activates oral sensory receptors. It may increase swallowing response. Described in studies from the Journal of Nutrition. Digestive comfort and bubbles. Carbonated water may increase gastric fullness. This can support portion control. Reported in European Journal of Nutrition. For some people, it may increase bloating. Dose and timing matter. What I actually noticed, I drank more water daily. Less reliance on sweet drinks. Better consistency with hydration. No miracle effects. Just small steady changes. Bone health clarification. Carbonated water does not harm bones. This is supported by Harvard Health Reviews. Phosphoric acid in sodas is the concern. Plain sparkling water is different. Teeth awareness. Carbonation slightly lowers. Risk increases with frequent sipping. Rinse with plain water after drinking. American Dental Association discusses this. Who should be cautious? People with severe reflux may feel discomfort. IBS symptoms may increase for some. Always listen to your body. Responses vary by health status. Doctor advice matters. Talk to your doctor if you have conditions. How I use it safely: plain carbonated water only. No added sugar. No artificial sweeteners. 1 to 2 glasses a day. How to track benefits. Monitor daily fluid intake. Note digestion comfort. Review energy levels weekly. Small humor moment, the bubbles made water feel less boring. Final thought, hydration habits matter more after 55. Try it mindfully and moderately. Like the video if this helps. Small changes can support better aging.